Hey everybody, it's Richie again. It's just a little quick update on my Gemini space capsule, and this is for the Apollo group build. And in this video, I'm just showing you that the Gemini space program again was predecessor to the Apollo program, and this is where they learned how to walk in space. And if you can see in this box art, that they got the capsule with the astronaut actually practicing and doing a spacewalk. And that's what I want to create for my base. Now here's the thing with this build. What they gave you two of these astronauts in this sitting position. Let me zoom in so you can see. So what you got here is they would both sit in the capsule. So instead of giving you an option of having one doing a spacewalk, even though they show it on the box art, they just give you two of these astronauts that are sitting down in the capsule. So what I want to do is, again, I wanted to create this spacewalk. So what I had done is I had taken this one of the two astronauts, and I actually cut him up. Like I said, you can see this is a sitting position, and this is what I got right now. This is the same, this is the other one that was the sitting position. I had cut it down in about fourths and straightened the legs and re-glued it and given him like a spacewalk, and it's pretty much almost like what we got here, if you guys could see here. This is what I'm planning. You can see his hand is out, and that's what it's going to be to the tethered line, and this is what I'm simulating. So in this video, I'm just showing you that I'd cut it. And in the next video, you're going to see I'm going to fill this all in and sculpt myself a new set of legs and fill in all these details. So on this video for the Gemini space program is cutting the sitting astronaut and reforming him into a spacewalking astronaut. Okay, see you on the next part of this video. Okay, as you can see now, I had filled in the astronaut. I showed you in this previous part of this video. You saw that I had originally this astronaut was sitting in a sitting position like this one, and I had cut it up and made him into a standing position because I want to have him doing a spacewalk. So now you can see I just filled in that hole, what I showed you in the previous, after I cut it, it was all hollow. I had filled this in with modeling putty and sculpted in all the details. And I'll show you what we got real close. And I didn't do any sanding yet or anything like that. Just basically just filling this in and just sculpting it in. Before I prime it, I gotta let this dry, and then give it a light sanding like you do any other model, and after it primes, hopefully all this detail that I shaped into it will come out nice, and then we'll paint it up. So again, this is for the Gemini space capsule for the Apollo group build from Excellent 12 and Jonathan Mulberry's. Let's see, we're now October, whatever it is today, October 18th, something like that, 18th, 19th, and this was supposed to be in July 20th, so just a few months late, right guys? But anyway, this is where I'm at on it, forming the astronaut to do its spacewalk, cutting it up from a sitting position to a standing position, a spacewalk. Okay. So I'll see you guys on the next video. And yeah, the astronauts are being attacked by all the zombies here. See all my zombies? And he's just sitting there, he doesn't even know what's going on behind him. Okay, anyway, that's my update on the Gemini space capsule 124 by Revell for the Apollo group build.